There is a certain kind of resilience born in these hills. It is the quiet hustle before the mist clears, the late nights spent, turning a single spark into something real. But even the brightest ideas need the right support to grow. The Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge 7.0 is here to help you take that next step. More than a competition, it is an opportunity to access mentorship, funding, resources, and a powerful network designed to help your business scale. Launched by the Government of Meghalaya, this flagship initiative supports innovative entrepreneurs who are ready to create impact and generate employment in the state. Through a 9-month incubation program, selected startups will receive the guidance and support needed to take your business to the next level. If you are a resident of Meghalaya with an existing business that is less than 6 years old and you are building innovative, scalable solutions with the potential to create jobs, this is your moment. The top 100 selected startups will gain access to a comprehensive ecosystem of support. From business grants of Rs 3 lakhs for the top 50 startups and Rs 1.5 lakhs for the next 50 startups, and expert mentorship to startup tools, market access, networking opportunities, co-working spaces, and professional support services. You'll receive capacity building through workshops and boot camps, opportunities to connect with investors and buyers, media visibility, exposure visits, and exclusive startup credits. Apply now for the Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge 7.0. Step 1. Visit the Prime Meghalaya website www.primemeghalaya.com. Step 2. Click on CMECC 7.0 Apply Now. Step 3. Enter your details and click on Create an account or Sign up. You will receive a message on your email confirming your registration. You will need to verify your email by clicking on the Verify button. 6. Click on Draft to save your details and complete them later, or click Next to proceed. You will be redirected to the application form. Complete all required fields marked with a star and click Submit. Note down your registration number displayed on the top right corner of the application page for future reference. Step 9. If you are unable to complete the application in one sitting, click Save to save your draft application. You can log in later using your credentials to complete and submit the application. Once successfully submitted, you will receive a confirmation message on the screen and a confirmation email on your registered email address. Step 11. Note down your registration number displayed on the top right corner of the application page for future reference. The last date of application is 15th September 2026. Apply now.